Hello traders, Trader Tom here from Simply Forex, the channel created to help you succeed at trading. Welcome to the daily review show where we look back at yesterday's trades. So for Thursday, the 11th of July. And if you stay till the end of the vid, guys, you're going to know which trades I did and didn't take and where I entered, etc. So stay tuned till the end. Right, so let's start. Let's do it. The first trade we were looking at was oil, right? So we were in an uptrend. This is the day chart. We was in an uptrend, bit of consolidation here. This is where we're at. Okay, so clearly in an uptrend. We was also at the moving average 20, which is dynamic support in this case. And then at that level, we had a really nice bullish candle. Okay, so uptrend, bullish candle at a dynamic support level, and it had room to move into, right? What's not to like? Yeah. So from a price action point of view, it had lots of pros. If we drop down to the H4, well, let's drop down to the H1, right? So the H1 was all about this level. Okay. Yeah, and it's not a level I put in during the day. This is a level I put in at the start of the day so I know where to trade from. And I put this grey support and resistance level in because price has just reacted here, right? And yesterday was no different. Yeah, if it reacts at this level in the past, it will react in the future. Yeah, it will react in the future. So basically, guys, it was a little bit of an aggressive entry. But as soon as I saw this candle come down and this wick that held on to this grey zone in here, right? I pretty much entered, right? I entered here. I put my stop below here, okay? And then I took price back up to this level here. Yeah, and it was a nice trade, guys. At this point, I closed 80%. Yeah, and now I'm leaving 20% to run back up to those daily highs that we looked at. All right, so oil, slightly aggressive entry, but it was a good level, good trade, guys. And look at this, right? Even if if you entered here, price come up, yeah, I took profit. But even if you didn't, it come back down and give you another opportunity to get in, right? Because if you did wait for a bullish reaction and this candle, right, you might be thinking, oh, I've missed a trade. But look how much it retraces again. Yeah, give you, even if you got in here, here, you could have got into that level, put your stop below here this time and took price higher. So it gave us a couple of opportunities yesterday. The other trade we were looking at was Aussie dollar, US dollar. If we start with the day chart, so we were in an uptrend, right? It had broken out of this, this range that it was in. Yeah, broken out of this range, started to build up, bang, we broke the highs. Okay, we were getting higher highs at this point, and then we broke through these highs here. Right, so we were in an uptrend, and then I'm just looking for bullish candles to enter again. This isn't bullish, right? But yeah, could have entered on this candle, this candle. I was looking for buys. I don't enter on the daily candle, but the daily candle tells me that I can buy this pair, right? Do I want to stay in this trade? Probably not. Look at that wick. That is a large wick rejection. Okay. But yesterday, guys, if we drop to the H1, because this is what we were looking at, right? And when price, so I didn't get into this trade yesterday. I was in this trade from a couple of days ago, right? And I was actually in this trade from here, right, at the 6746, right? So I've just price has been doing nothing, right? And I'm waiting for another buy opportunity. Now, we did get one, right? I would say this was this was a nice bullish candle to enter on, if not this. It doesn't look very bullish because the candles have been so distorted by this big move up. But as per our strategy, we got bullish candles in our grey zone. Again, we planned this grey zone at the start of the day. But you're not going to enter these candles when there's news coming out. Right, you could have done our news straddle strategy that we adopt, but you can't enter. But I was already in this trade, So what I did, guys, you can see my alarm here. I just moved my stop to break even. And then this became a risk-free trade. And then price just shot up and hit my target. Yeah, we had a really nice day yesterday, right? So yeah, price just shot up and hit my target. Very news-led, but it was a risk-free trade. But Aussie dollar, US dollar, again, nice trade. And it went in the direction we were looking for. There's one more trade from yesterday, but before I show you that, guys, if you haven't joined our trading community, then please do. You just speak to like-minded traders, share knowledge, ideas, have a chat. So come join our free Discord channel. If you would like more than that, and you would like my trade signals, you would like direct access to me, as in you can ask me questions, and you would like access to numerous tutorials that I've created from over the years, then please come join the VIP Trading Academy. Also, guys, right now, if you sign up with one of our preferred brokers, you can get access to these things and discounts. All right, so check out that as well. It's all in the video description. And the last trade was this euro pound. Now, we were looking for sells, and it did come back down and hit our target, right? If we just follow the day chart, this is where we were. And then bang, we started breaking down. Yeah, once we broke out of this trend line, excuse my pen drawing, it's early. I haven't had my morning vodka yet. Only joking. So we was in a downtrend and we had this nice big bearish candle. And the idea was just to come back down to these daily lows, right? Excuse my big head in the way. Let me get that out of the way. Yeah, just to come down, back down to these lows here, right? And that's exactly what happened. We dropped down to the H4. There was a couple of levels we were looking at, right? This level. Okay, we were looking at this level here, and we were looking at this level here. And I just wanted a deeper retrace, guys. Really, news come out, and we got quite a bearish reaction, and it just come down and hit target. Yeah, I was looking for a retrace potentially in here somewhere before we start taking this lower. All right, didn't happen, so I didn't have a trade with euro pound. All right, guys. So yeah, that's the recap of yesterday's trades. If you enjoyed it, please subscribe to the channel and smash the notification button, and please smash the like button, guys. It really helps support the vid. See you again next time.